Sa isang larong hawak na sana ng Hinebra, unti-unting nawala ang depensang kanilang ipinagmamalaki. Isang pagbabagong inamin mismo ni Coach Tim Cone. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa aking pag-abante. Inamin ni Coach Tim Cone na lumihis sa karaniwang anyong Barangay Hinebra, San Miguel matapos ang 93-84 na pagkatalo nito sa San Miguel Beermen sa Game 2 ng PBA Season 50 Philippine Cup Semifinals nitong Miyerkules ng gabi sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ayon kay Cone, bigong maipakita ng Gene Kings ang depensang naging sandigan nila sa mga nagdaang buwan, partikular sa second half kung saan nakabalik at tuluyang nakontrol ng Beermen ang takbo ng laro.
Well, the second half, you know, like 60 points or something in the second half. Just not a good performance out of us. Not characteristic of what we've been, how we've been playing over there.
Ipinunto rin ng veteranong coach na nabigo ang Hinebra na pigilan ang opensa ng San Miguel matapos ang halftime break kung saan umiskor ang Beermen ng malaking puntos at nabawi ang double-digit na kalamangan ng Gene Kings.
We just kind of have to regroup and see if we can regroup quickly and come back and get this thing going.
Binanggit din ni Cone na naipataw ng San Miguel ang kanilang estilo ng laro sa ikalawang half sa pangunguna ni Junmar Fajardo na muling naging dominante sa loob ng paint habang gumana rin ang transition game ng Beermen.
I just said that, yeah. I just said that we didn't do it well tonight, and we got to figure it out. See if we can come out. Our bench did not play well tonight. Nobody from our bench played well tonight. You know, that's kind of typical with benches. You guys coming off the bench. They'll be great one night, maybe not be there the second night. But hopefully they'll come back and we'll compete with them on the third night. It's a 7-game series. So.
Bukod kay Fajardo, naging mahalagang salik din ng bench production ng San Miguel na nagbigay ng dagdag na enerhiya at puntos lalo na sa fourth quarter upang tuluyang baliktarin ang laro pabor sa defending champions. Sa kabila ng pagkatalo, iginiit ni Cone na mahalaga ang agarang pagre-regroup ng kanyang kupunan habang nagpapatuloy ang best of 7 series.
Yeah, they picked a good guy off the bench to come out. He played well. Yeah, he turned the game in the fourth quarter. Jumar was the dominant guy, but he turned the game in the fourth quarter. So that's something we'll just have to take a look at. You know, like I said, they're deep all the way through. Their bench comes out and they play.
Dahil sa resulta, nabura ang Game 1 advantage ng Hinebra at tabla na sa 1-all ang serye na magtatakda ng isang kritikal na Game 3 habang nagpapatuloy ang bakbakan sa PBA Semifinals. Ako si Sus Valdez, Abante Sports, nauna.